In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put your Shopify store under construction. This is useful when you are preparing a new launch, making big design changes, or updating products, and you want to prevent customers from browsing or checking out while you work. Shopify does this through password protection, which shows visitors a locked page and a message you control. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. From there, open Preferences. This is where Shopify stores several important settings for your storefront, including the controls for limiting access. Once you are in Preferences, scroll down until you find the section labeled Password Protection. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, because this setting affects what the public can see when they visit your domain. Now, enable the restriction by checking the box that says Restrict Access to Visitors with the password. As soon as this is turned on, your store will be placed behind a password wall after you save, meaning only people who have the password can enter. Next, set your password. Enter a simple access code that you can share with your team or selected customers if needed. Make sure this password is not the same as your Shopify admin password. It should be unique and only used for unlocking the storefront during this temporary period. Keep it somewhere safe so you can find it quickly later. After that, customize the message to your visitors. This is the text people will see on the locked page, so keep it clear and friendly. Let them know your store is being updated, and if possible, include when you expect to be back online. A short update like, "We are currently updating our store, we will be back soon," works well. If you know a specific day and time, you can include that to set expectations and reduce confusion. Finally, click Save. That is the key step that applies the change. Once saved, your store will be under construction for anyone who does not have the password, and your visitor message will appear on the password page. That covers everything you need to know.